As a Starlink expert and consultant here in Cameroon, I receive a lot of messages daily from Cameroonians asking different questions about Starlink internet services. But among all the questions that constantly pop up in my DM, two stand out the most. How much does a Starlink kit cost in Cameroon? And how much is Starlink subscription in Cameroon? Apparently, these questions are coming from people who have developed interest in the much talked about satellite internet, but they want to know whether it fits their budget, or they simply don't want to get cheated by some vendors here in Cameroon who are known for charging exorbitant prices for Starlink kits. However, before you even harbor the thought of switching to Starlink internet, it's important to understand one thing: Starlink is not cheap. It's designed for people who can afford premium internet, or individuals and businesses that rely heavily on fast, reliable connectivity and are sure of getting value for their investment. To give you a clearer picture, Starlink kits cost almost 10 times the price of the internet modems or routers sold by MTN, Orange, and Camtel in Cameroon. But before you scream that it's too expensive, you need to understand that the difference between Starlink internet and traditional ISP internet is like night and day, with download speeds reaching up to 400 megabits per second and upload speeds of about 50 megabits per second. You can download a 1 gigabyte file in seconds, enjoy buffer-free live streaming, and experience smooth online gaming without interruptions. Aside from speed, reliability is another major advantage. Starlink runs 24/7. There's hardly a time you'll receive apology messages about network outages, unlike what we often experience with fiber optic failures from local providers. Another thing I really love about Starlink kits is their durability. These devices are built to withstand harsh outdoor climatic conditions, since they are designed to remain positioned outside, facing the sky 24/7. Whether it's heavy rain, strong winds, or extreme heat, Starlink dishes are engineered to operate reliably in tough environments. They're also built with surge and power protection systems, so constant power outages or electrical fluctuations won't easily damage the hardware. That means you can install your Starlink kit outdoors with confidence, without worrying about weather-related performance issues. With proper installation and care, you can expect to use your Starlink kit reliably for many years. And of course, it's a product manufactured to high international standards, designed and engineered in the United States. And lastly, Starlink works virtually anywhere in Cameroon, even in villages with no road access. Starlink kit prices in Cameroon? Now, with all that said, you're probably curious to know, how much does a Starlink kit cost in Cameroon? And what is the monthly subscription fee? Let's start with the kit prices. As of February 13th, 2025, there are 3 Starlink models commonly found in Cameroon: Starlink Standard Actuated Kit, Starlink Standard V4 Kit, and Starlink Mini. Starlink Standard Actuated Kit. This is the older Gen 2 model featuring a rectangular dish and motorized auto alignment system. It can automatically orient itself for the best signal using the Starlink app. This was the first Starlink model that entered the Cameroon market around 2023. And back then, it sold for over 500,000 francs CFA. However, SpaceX has discontinued this model, so today you can only find it as second-hand. In 2026, used units sell for around 250,000 francs CFA. It's designed for fixed home or business use, and its Gen 2 router can support up to 128 devices simultaneously. Starlink Mini Kit. This is currently one of the most popular models in Cameroon, mainly because of its price and portability. It's small, ultra-portable, and designed for campus travelers and mobile entrepreneurs. Unlike other models, the Mini combines the dish and Wi-Fi router into one compact device, reducing cost and improving portability. You can buy a Starlink Mini Kit in Cameroon from 250,000 to 300,000 francs CFA. Starlink Mini Wi-Fi supports up to 120 devices simultaneously. However, It was designed primarily for outdoor use. Since the router is built into the dish, which stays outside, indoor signal strength may be weak, especially in concrete buildings. Its Wi-Fi range covers about 1,200 to 2,500 square feet in open areas, but drops significantly through walls. To use it indoors effectively, you'll need an external router connected via Ethernet. Performance speeds: up to 300 megabits per second. Download: around 30 megabits per second. Upload. One major advantage I love about the Mini is its low power consumption. It can run on a 100 watt PD power bank, making it perfect during power outages in Cameroon. Starlink Standard V4 Kit. This is the latest upgraded version currently produced by SpaceX. The dish is almost twice the size of the Mini.
Starlink V4 versus Starlink Mini.
And it comes with a Gen 3 Wi-Fi 6 router, offering better speed and wider coverage. Because the router is separate from the dish, it's ideal for homes and businesses. Dish stays outside, router stays inside. Price range in Cameroon: 280,000 to 350,000 francs CFA. Performance: up to 500 megabits per second download, around 50 megabits per second upload. Router coverage: up to 3,200 square feet. Supports up to 235 devices simultaneously. As a quick reminder, it's important to note that the two main Starlink models currently dominating the Cameroon market are the Starlink Standard V4 and the Starlink Mini. If you're looking to buy Starlink for home or business use, then the Standard V4 is the better option. It comes with a larger dish, a separate indoor router, and delivers stronger signal coverage with higher performance. But if your priority is mobility or outdoor connectivity, then the Starlink Mini is perfect. It's compact, portable, and designed for people who need internet on the move. Like I mentioned earlier, the Starlink Mini consumes relatively low power, which makes it possible to run it using a power bank. And this gives the Starlink Mini an additional advantage over the bigger versions. During periods of power outages or in completely off-grid situations, you can simply connect your Starlink Mini to a 100 watt PD power bank and continue using the internet without interruption. This also makes it possible to use Starlink in locations where you don't have access to electricity at all. Now, when you compare that to the bigger Starlink Standard V4 kit, that level of portability isn't possible. The Standard V4 has a much higher power requirement, which means it typically needs a stable AC power source, like home electricity or a generator, to operate. So in terms of energy efficiency and backup power flexibility, the Starlink Mini clearly has the advantage. If you plan to use the Starlink Mini indoors, you'll need to connect it to an external router so you can bring the Wi-Fi signal properly inside your home or office. Now let's talk about something very important: security tips when buying Starlink in Cameroon. Due to the rising demand for Starlink internet in Cameroon, there are now many vendors selling Starlink kits online. And unfortunately, many scammers too, especially on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. So here are key safety tips you must follow to avoid getting scammed. 1. Avoid upfront payment. Never pay for a Starlink kit before delivery. This point needs no further explanation. If a seller insists on full payment before you even see the device, that's a major red flag. 2. Avoid advanced deposits. Some scammers will tell you they have limited stock available and pressure you to make an advance payment to reserve a kit. Don't fall for that tactic. It's one of the most common scam strategies used online. 3. Check account linkage. Before paying for any Starlink kit, especially second-hand units, make sure the device is not linked to an existing Starlink account or blocked. A linked or restricted kit may be completely unusable. You can verify this by visiting starlink.com/activate, enter the serial number of the Starlink you wish to buy to check its activation status. Alternatively, you can contact us and we'll help verify the kit for you before purchase. 4. Transfer account ownership. If you're buying a second-hand Starlink kit, that's already linked to the seller's account. Make sure the account ownership is fully transferred to your email before making payment. Without account access, you won't be able to manage the device or subscription. Following these simple security steps can save you from losing hundreds of thousands of francs to scammers. Always verify before you pay. Now let's answer another big question. How much is Starlink subscription per month in Cameroon? Since Starlink isn't officially approved yet in Cameroon, the subscription plan that works here is the Roam plan. Now for those of you who may not know, the Roam plan is the subscription package designed by Starlink to make it possible for users to travel with their Starlink kits and access internet service in different parts of the world, including countries where Starlink is not yet licensed to operate, like Cameroon. And currently there are two Roam options available, the Roam Unlimited plan and the Roam 100 gigabytes plan. Because Cameroon is not yet on Starlink's list of approved countries, we have to activate Starlink under one of the countries where Starlink is licensed and where the Roam subscription is supported. Now, the monthly subscription fee charged by Starlink for the Roam plan varies depending on the country you use to activate your kit. For example, in the United States, Starlink charges $165 per month for the Roam Unlimited subscription, which is roughly 90,000 francs CFA per month. And in France, the Roam Unlimited plan costs about 89 euros per month, which is approximately 59,000 francs CFA. So as you can see, the price differs depending on the activation country you choose. But for clients who use our Starlink activation service, we activate their kits under countries offering the Roam Unlimited subscription for as low as 36,000 francs CFA per month, and the Roam 100 gigabytes data plan for just 26,000 francs CFA per month. So depending on where you activate your Starlink from, you could end up paying much higher or significantly lower for the exact same fast Starlink internet speed. If you'd like help activating your Starlink kit, so you can start paying 36,000 francs CFA per month for unlimited superfast Starlink internet, simply contact us using the phone number displayed on your screen. We'll be happy to assist you. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this guide has helped you better understand everything you need to know about Starlink in Cameroon, from the cost of the kits to the monthly subscription and how activation works. If you've been thinking about switching to Starlink internet, then now you have a clearer picture of what to expect and whether it fits your needs and budget. And remember, because Starlink is not yet officially approved in Cameroon, proper activation is very important to avoid account restrictions or service interruption. So if you'd like professional help activating your Starlink kit, or you want us to activate it under a country that allows you to pay as low as 36,000 francs CFA per month for unlimited internet, simply contact us using the phone number displayed on your screen. We'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any updates, tutorials, or important news about Starlink internet here in Cameroon. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll personally respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.